Welcome to Magic Clay. Today I'm excited to show you how I made 3 versions of T-Rex from plasticine: the Noob, Pro and Hacker. Let's get started. First, let's create the Noob version. This one took me about 3 minutes. Start with the body and make 4 small balls for the hands and legs. Great. Next, craft the chest using yellow plasticine and add some lines for more realistic look. For the eyes, make 2 small holes and fill them with black plasticine. Then make cut for the mouth. Finally, add a crest from a darker green and attach it to the head. Just like that. And there you have it, the Noob version is complete. Now on to the Pro version T-Rex. This one was a bit more detailed and took about 20 minutes. First, let's make frame from foil. And then wrap it with green plasticine. It will be the body. For the chest, use yellow plasticine. Next, make 2 legs from the same green color and attach them to the body. Make a cut for the mouth and attach the head. Add small tiny hands. I used a slightly different color since I ran out of the original one, but you better use the same. Make the feet and attach them to the legs. Add black plasticine claws. Don't forget to make eyes on each side. And some sharp teeth. I used cardboard for them. You see the cat nap without head, which fell off. I also made it myself. Check out the link in the description. The Pro T-Rex is done. And now the ultimate hacker version. This big fella took me about 3 hours to complete. Start the same way. Make the body from foil and wrap it with green plasticine. For the chest, mix yellow and green for more realistic look. Cut it to fit better and attach it to the body. Next, make 2 legs from foil. Wrap them with green plasticine and attach. Then make the hands and smooth everything with your fingers. Add 4 black plasticine claws to the hands. To make the model stable, use wire for the legs. This T-Rex will be heavy with its big head on. Trust me. Continue with the legs. Make feet and claws. And add some cuts for realism. For the head, I use black plasticine first, to save on green. Then wrap it with the green and shape it into the T-Rex's head. Craft a lower jaw from another piece of green plasticine. For the teeth, use white plasticine and a pink piece for the tongue. Actually, I wasn't satisfied with this first lower jaw, so I redid it, including the teeth. Finally, add a crest from darker green. And of course yellow eyes for a striking look. The hacker version is complete. Here are all 3 T-Rexes together. What do you think? Let me know in comments and don't forget to subscribe to Magic Clay. There is plenty more exciting content on the way. Bye!